Hey there! Welcome to our video where we tackle a common problem that many Windows users encounter when setting up a TUN interface on their machine. The issue arises when trying to bind a local server to the TUN interface, only to find out that it's actually listening on the loopback interface instead. This can be quite frustrating, especially if you're looking to craft IPTSP packets and direct them to the TUN interface. Now, let's dive into the solution to this problem. The key here is to avoid sending packets to the machine's own addresses, as all local addresses are routed through the internal loopback interface. By choosing a different IP address within the range you've configured for the TUN interface, such as 10.11.12.99, and using it as the fake source for your injected packets, you'll be able to ensure that the packets are correctly interpreted by the server listening on the TUN interface. In summary, by selecting a unique IP address within the TUN interface range and using it as the source for your injected packets, you can overcome the issue of the server listening on the loopback interface instead. This simple adjustment will allow you to craft and direct packets to the TUN interface successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more tech solutions and tips.